Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie, and now we're going to do the unboxing of DIY colored sand. Let's go! Hey guys, this is the parcel that I'm waiting for. This is the one that I'm going to unbox. Oops! That's my address. We cannot show 100% of the 360 degree rotation because my address is here. So that's my privacy. I hope you understand. Okay, I'm going to open the box. They secured it. This is not cornetto, by the way. They just put that inside another big box. Oops. And of course, another not security, to secure the toys inside. I need to be careful at this point because I might damage the original box. I'm filming alone right now. But I usually have my partner to help me on this. And my daughter is not here. But all of the toy collections that I'm opening, actually, we love to collect toys. My partner loves to collect animes, same as yours truly, and my daughter loves Hello Kitty, Hatchimals, Shopkins, and she loves painting. That's why she started painting since she's when she turns 1. And I just thought that why not share the DIY paintings that she actually played, but of course at this moment I'm not showing my daughter right now, but maybe on December I will, if she agrees to film with me. Okay, let's take a closer look. See that? Okay, since we opened the box, the box and this parcel, this is the first box of the DIY paintings, sand painting. This is how it looks like. Kinda opened already because of the, I guess, when they check the parcel if it's complete. This is how it looks like at the back, and since it's kind of open, it's not that hard to open the box. And these are the colors available. These are the sand palette colors. We have like how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different beautiful colors. And we have this panel for when we made a not mistake but excess sand on the painting. We can return the sand inside the bottle. So let's move this. I'm gonna get this babies set aside. And these are the painting. How lovely the paintings. And this is the color. How can we actually put the sand here? Okay, we're going to discuss it later on my second video, how we actually do the painting. This is the rocket ship, submarine, butterfly, donkey, the helicopter, the car. So this is, since it's green, this is the boy edition of the DIY sand painting. This is the UFO, the pig/dog. I don't know what it is actually. You know, art, your limitations, or the limitations is your imagination. So this is the rubber ducky. No, the duck. And this is the air balloon. And this is I don't know if it is the windmill, but it's not. This is like in the Moai. In the Moai. And this is a beautiful tree. And this is the paintbrush. You can brush all the excess paint, sand painting, or the sand on the painting rather. So this is the tray. This tray is actually plastic. You just look at this and you notice that it's plastic. And if this is ceramic, this is heavy, the backs, but it's not. So this is plastic. And this is where you put your drawing. I mean, not your actual drawing, but your painting. And then follow the color scheme for yellow and for the blue, and then brush. And what is that sound I'm making? And if there's excess sand here, you can actually use the funnel. Where's the funnel? Here, funnel. And this is the sand painted sand rather. And you're going to put the funnel here. There's a cute hole here, and you'll get this. So this one, this is also sealed. You have to twist it a little, yeah. Let's do it like this. It's wiggly, but that is the concept of it. And you put the excess, not directly, but it's better to use this funnel before you actually returned this sand inside the bottle. So this is what we have for the boy edition. We have the tray, we have this painting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, we have 12 painting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 11 colorful palettes, sand, the colored sand, and the brush and the panel where you can use it to return the sand inside the bottle when you have excess. So the next box, let's set it aside. Yeah, don't worry, there is no glass inside. I'm sure about it because it should be heavy, and of course it's the same thing, but let's see what's the difference. Let's see the difference. The boy edition, let's see, they have different colors. The girl edition, the color palette is repeated. We have 2 pink, set aside. We have 2 red color sand, colored sand. We have peach. We have this beautiful yellow, and we have 2 green as well as the blue ones. And of course we have this panel. This is handy. See the wood, the hole. It's really small. And this is the brush. Wait a minute. Oh, what is this? I don't know what is this. What am I going to do with this? What color is this? Pink. What color is this? White. What color is this? Blue. I guess this is what I used for, but of course not. It's not. Let's figure out what we're going to do with this stick. And these are the painting. We have a house. We have a beautiful, beautiful fish. Nemo is that you. And what is alarm clock? I need that. And a boat. A boat. Okay. I remembered Nemo again. And this is a dress, a beautiful princess dress. And this is, oh, what is this? Beetle? Yeah, beetle. And we also have a bird. And the bees. We also have cake. 1, 2, 3, 4 tier of cake. And we have 3 candles on top. And this is a big, huge cupcake. It's very colorful rainbow cupcake. And this is the castle, because this is the girl edition technically, and of course it should have a castle if you see a princess dress. Yeah, I guess so. And because it's going to be, of course, soon it's going to be Christmas, you know, here in the Philippines, September. As long as it's a bear month, we call it bear months. The Christmas ornaments is already, the house is already decorated with Christmas. So yes, we need Christmas tree and Christmas bell. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we have 12 painting, but here in the boy edition we have 11 painting, and we have repeated colors. Okay, so that's the difference between the two sets. The boy edition, we have 11 painting with different 11 palette, with no repeated palette, with no stick. This one, the girl edition, we have 12 painting, 12 repeated sand, colored sand. We have this stick where I don't know how to use it. Maybe we will think about how we can use this. And the next time we're going to show you how the sand painting will be done, or how we're going to demo the sand painting. I will eventually have a use of this. The painting is just 11 pieces, and this one is 12. And the color, this one has, doesn't have repeated color, but this one we have 2 of everything, not everything, every colors, but sand colored sand rather. So the next unboxing we're going to do in our next video is the diamond painting. That is different from the sand painting. So, whoa, so cute, right? It's cute. Cutie. Hey, this is Callie. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next.